Hey guys, welcome to my Etsy channel, where the main purpose of this channel is to help you build a thriving Etsy business. Welcome to another episode of Etsy tutorial. Today I wanted to talk about 6 habits that successful Etsy sellers do. And these are things that you should start implementing, and not also implementing, but understanding. So let's go ahead and get started on those 6 tips. Tip number one, I always tell someone, especially people that are trying to open a new, right, Etsy shop, is make sure not only that you did the market search, which means that you went and found out if the type of niche or product that you're trying to sell is growing, if there's a demand for it, but also make sure that you're passionate about whatever you're selling. And this is very crucial because if you open a shop that you're not passionate about, in the beginning, you're going to have all these emotions. You're going to be so hyper. You're going to be so into it. You're going to be like, this is so cool. I'm so excited. And then once that feeling wears out, right? And you're not making sales and maybe you're struggling with SEO, maybe you're struggling with understanding how Etsy work and how to be found and how to do ads and how to market your shop, then the only thing you have to kind of keep you going and kind of keep that drive is your passion. So if you're passionate about something, you're going to continue doing it no matter whether you have good success or bad, whether it's taking you longer or not. You're going to continue because you don't have a plan B. This is your plan A, your plan B, your plan C, your plan D, because you are passionate about what you're selling or your products or your services. So therefore, when you go on those highs and lows that we entrepreneurs do face, right? When you go on those highs and lows, when you are on the low, you will still continue, you will still show up, you will still do the work, you will still stay up late at night, you will still work all weekend, you will still put in all the required energy